In this video I am going to show you for the discount part, like how the discount got applied in the line level and in the global level, and how it will also applied in the how it will sync from Foodics to Odoo side. So for that, you can see in the screen, we have open, and I'm just adding the orders and just adding a cashier, just selecting the branch, and then just selecting the customers. For that, let me select any customers here, and now adding a product. So for that, just adding a product with extra cheese, adding a french fries, and here maybe sometimes the discount is not loading. Maybe let me check with another product. uh, Here, okay, let me add another products here. Okay, and just selecting discount. Yes, here I am adding a discount with fixed price or percentage as well. The option is there, so I'm adding the fixed price here, 10. So my sandwich price is 10 15, you can see here, and it got applied with the 10. So now the price is 40. And then here I am also you can see the total amount is 72.45. So I'm just adding another discount as well, which is a global discount. So let's me add a 5 in the percentage, and let's say 5% of the total value. So here you can see the automatic in the Foodics, it will calculate it with the amount. And now just add payment, and just pay now. So after the payment, the order will automatically populate in the Odoo side as well. So we can just check the orders. Let's go to the orders now, and you can see, yes, it is already populated here. You can see the reference is 228, and maybe we can check the same reference we can find in the Foodic side as well. So let us open the orders from Foodic side, and we can see, yes, the order is 228 is already there. So let's open the orders, and yes, you can see the all the datas, the branch, the customer numbers is already there, then the totals is already there. So we can see here the customer name is already there, then we can see the total, we can see the branch, and also we can see the products, french fries with the price of 23, and we have already added extra cheese there, which is from the 20. And on that, we didn't applied any discount, so it is the discount amount is showing a 0. But in the sandwich, we have added a line discount, so it is showing a 10. Then here in the Foodic side as well, we can see the same product items we can see here. Then from for the sandwich, we have added a 10% discount, and it is got 14. Then we have added a 5% discount, which is 13.15, you can see here. So the same amount and same products you can see here in the Odoo side as well, and we just matched with from Odoo to Foodics as well. So it same, it will apply it over here as well, and the total also coming the same, 68.83, like that. So all the amounts and the things are coming the same, as well as the taxes also are updated the same as we have checked in that. Here you can see the tax are also got applied, so the same tax also got applied in the Odoo side as well. So this is it for this video. We can another features we will add for another videos. Okay, thank you all.